to.
You see the whole thing there.
You can see the whole facility right on the computer screen. You rapid mix. Basically, if you follow it from here, this is how everything goes out. Just follow it down till it's finished water. That's finished water in the clear well. Your rapid mix of your chemicals are added, your sedimentation bases where everything settles out. You can actually see the flights and chains kind of in that, kind of in a cartoon form.
So that's where the scrapers are.
Yep, that's what scrapes it. And it comes through, you get filter 1 and filter 2. And they can monitor how often the backwash cycle is going on, or probably even start it from here. Talk about the flows going through. It looks like you got a little better than 1 million gallons right now going through 1, another 1 million gallons to filter 2. And this is all, once it's purified here, filtered, it goes to your clear well. Clear wells,
12 feet deep?
Yeah, 12 feet in the clear well. And you can see which pumps. Pump 1 is running right now, pushing out about 2.2 mgd, the equivalent to. You can monitor the chlorine, the pH. You can also see the storage reservoir towers here. Bond Hill is finished water, Blackburn's finished water. Plum Cove's not showing up on here, and I'm not sure if it's part of the...
They might put it in later.
Okay, so Plum Cove is reading on this.
They might add a lot of new stuff.
But this allows us to be able to take... We don't have this anywhere else. This is convenient for the operators to see at their fingertips what's what.
You can bring up filter 1. It shows you what it's doing. And it's going to come back on. It comes on every 3 hours. So it just stops, so it's got 3 more hours to go.
And you can monitor the turbidity coming through it, the waste turbidity, the cell position. There are 80 or plus or minus cells within each filter itself, so you know where your bridge is. So if it stops, you can see it stopped, at cell 45. So you know, some reason it stopped in the middle of the cycle. So you can run a diagnostic to figure out why filter 1's there. But by having this here, we can tie it into other things. We can tie alarms in, so they'll get an alarm if one of the one of the finished reservoirs is low, Bond Hill, or one of the water tanks is low, or there's a problem with filters or the chlorine feeds. It's good to have it right here. It stores it and tracks it, and it's better than looking at some pie charts on the back side.
Yeah. How far away is Bond Hill water tower? Is that a short distance? Is it?
Right there. You go right through that side of Wallace. It's not too far. Pipe comes directly from there to here. But we also can send it out Essex Avenue to there, or I guess indirectly, brand new water main on Magnolia Ave. You can send it this way down Hesperus or down Western.
It holds 6 million gallons, so we can shut this place down at night if we had to. And it would drain.
You have enough water to feed the system.
Feed the system.
Right. You don't want to leave it there just until you need it.
Right.
You want to drain out of there. You want that water to be consumed, because the longer it stays there, the less fresh it is, so to speak.
Right.